Hey YouTube, this is a quick video on a trick I used to get this iPhone A12 to turn on and get the data out. So it was brought to me by another repair shop for the data recovery purposes. And before doing any crazy work on it, and looks like it would need to work properly, it would need the processor and NAND Reball. But before going that deep into the phone, I try to do some tricks on it to see, because the end result is the data. No matter how you get to it, the end result, you just basically all you need to get out of this phone is data. Because this is a cheap phone, Samsung A12. So before I went ahead and did a major work on this phone, I tried to see if I can, maybe push on the board or twist the board to see if it turns on. And actually, what I did, I'm just showing you on this example. What I did when I connected my DC power supply to the board and tried to turn it on, it was not turning on. It was just consuming like 0.04 amps, so 40 milliamps, and it was not going any further. So what I did, I tried to twist it a little bit like that. So I hope you can see. Twist the board like that. I'm not gonna twist it on this board because this is a good board I'm gonna transfer the data to. But you just twist it. I tried to twist it like that and turn it on, and it was started to turn on. And when you release the pressure, it turned off basically. So I decided just to make a little workaround here to see if I can boot it successfully and get the data out. And it's already been done. It went all good. I used this Samsung Smart Switch to copy the data to the computer, and I'm gonna replace the board and copy it to another computer, to this board. So everything will be on a new board, all the information. But basically, what I did is, as you can see, the toothpick. Not a toothpick. This is a guitar pick. Guitar pick on this side under the board, and one screw with the cover, because I cannot just put the screw because there's like not enough space to catch the board. So the cover, the top cover, with one screw in this spot, and just don't push it all the way. Just screw it till till you feel like a little bit of resistance, and you can check, at the same time you screw it in, and try to see if it starts up. So as you can see, this phone is working right now. I'm not gonna mess around. I don't want to see the picture of the customer here. But basically, as you can see, this is all perfectly working phone. So I was able to back up with the smart switch, and everything is cool. And I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna unscrew that screw, and you can see that that the board is gonna turn off, and it's not gonna turn on again. But since I already erased I already made the backup. And also I needed to reset the password for the Google account. So it's already been done, so I can mess with this board. It doesn't really matter, because fixing it doesn't make any sense. It just, it's this cheap phone. It's a lot easier just to transfer the data to another board, and that's all. Call it a day. So as I said, no matter how you get to the point of data recovery, the end result is the end result. You need the data, and this is just a different way of I would say it's a smart way of doing a data recovery on this phone, because otherwise, I don't even have a stencil for the CPU. I don't have a stencil for this type of NAND, so it would take a long time. And there's also there's a risk, involved in in reballing the CPU and NAND. But this is perfect. Work perfectly fine. Data is safe and beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna unscrew this. I'm gonna start unscrewing this screw. See, it's off. Now it's gone. See, that's it. The phone is off and it does not turn on. It actually was pretty tight. This screw was pretty tight. Okay, as you can see, this trick worked wonders. See, I'm not gonna screw it back on right now again. So just want to show you real quick. because there's another screw on the board. I want to make sure, you know, you don't use that screw. So all the screws, like, let me remove this. So there's another screw right here in this hole, okay? So you remove that screw too. You don't use that screw. So you just put a board like that, battery, put this cover on top. And it seems like, you know, it's pushing, kind of making a contact on that CPU or NAND, whatever. I think this is a CPU problem, like probably cold joints. So I'm gonna screw it again. Pretty, yeah, you need to screw it pretty tight. And then, oh, see, you see that? See what's going on? Yeah, let me disconnect the. I need to disconnect the battery to start it up again. So let me disconnect the battery, connect it back up. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's try again. As I said, you know, I didn't want to touch it before I made all the backups necessary, because you know this is you know, it probably can work so many times. But so okay, so now let's see if it's gonna work again. Yep, see, it's turning on. So this is a little trick that might help you guys to get the data out of this phone. And this is probably because I've seen the guy reballing the CPU and NAND on this phone on YouTube. So it's probably a common issue on this model. But this is a little trick to get the data out. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day. Please subscribe to my channel, help me grow it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.